How to take apart, clean and put back together your DC40 Cyclone. Firstly, under the handle here there'll be a filter. Just pull that out and put it to one side. Close that up and then press the lever to empty the bin. The flap will then open, and then we need to press down this silver button here, and that releases the whole bin. Now your bin can be cleaned separately, that's on a video in the top corner. Now we're going to clean the Cyclone. Firstly, all you're going to need is a flat-headed screwdriver. Put that in the ridge around the back of the Cyclone here and move it along all the way around, slowly and surely, trying to keep it flat, and then this mesh part will just pop off as soon as you get most of the way around, like so. Then this just pulls off, and yours may be a little bit dirtier than this, but we're going to put it to one side for cleaning later. Now we're going to separate this part from the top part. This bottom part here is held on with 4 clips that go around the edge. There they are. Another one here, you keep rotating it, you'll see them. Now the way to do this is to get your screwdriver underneath the clip part, and other videos will show you how to do it like this. But this is going to damage this outer ridge here. Don't do it like that. Basically, you need to do it so you're going down the ridge and kind of just twisting your screwdriver like so. That way, you're in no contact at all with the ridge on the top part. You're not going to crack anything. I'll just show you from a different angle so you can perhaps see a bit more clearly what I'm doing. Just twisting the screwdriver, and then this final clip here. Once you undo this one, the whole thing will release. Now there's a spring in there, we're not going to worry about that, but there is a small spring in here which is going to want to escape. You can take off this silver button, but you can break them too, so we don't want to be doing that today. So you release the 2 parts. The small spring will probably escape, but this big spring will stay where it is. We'll show you how to put that back later. Now you can see all the dirt inside, and we're going to clean this in a bit with the other parts. Now there's this rubber bit on here, which is like a gasket. That just eases up. Just work around that with your screwdriver, and then once it's released it can pull up like so. Take that off again, put it to one side for cleaning in a bit. Now you can see there's a few screws, silver screws inside. Ignore them, I'll show you why. If you take them out, all it does is releases this top bit, and there's not much going on in there. You can actually just squirt some cleaner and some water down this area here underneath the handle, and it'll clean that area without taking it all apart. So just leave that in one complete piece. Now we're going to take these parts and we're going to fill a sink full of warm soapy water, get a toothbrush, a paintbrush and a rag as well. A microfiber cloth is good for drying. Now there's no set rules at first, just scrub the outer filter, scrub the rubber gasket bit, and then on the lid you don't want to be getting water in here, so don't go dunking it upside down. Now you can actually take this handle off, okay, on this hinge here, but again we don't really want to be breaking anything today, so just keep that out of the water. It's not doing any harm, and we're just going to clean the Cyclone without dunking it in. It doesn't matter if it gets a bit wet and you clean it and whatever, but we're not submerging it in so water lives in there forever. Okay, rinse everything as you go, cleaning it with your brushes, getting all the dirt that you can. And then once everything is rinsed, we'll go on to the drying phase using a microfiber cloth. At this point, I'd like to do what everyone does and ask you just to like the video if you found it helpful so far. It does help us find people in the future, which in turn helps people clean their Cyclone for years to come, hopefully. Right, we're putting everything in a warm, dry place overnight now. We're not putting it straight on our vacuum cleaner. Every so often, I come back and rotate them. That way any pools of water inside get rotated and don't just sit there. The next day everything will be dry and we can start putting it back together again. Just make sure, I've said it before, that everything is totally bone dry before we do this. Now the gasket goes on first. That's really easy, just push fits down and then go around and squeeze it into position. And we're now going to put the bottom bit onto the top Cyclone, okay? Now obviously 2 factors. One is this red bit, which has obviously got a spring. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then this silver bit, that's got to cross the other side. That's where your small spring is going to sit. So just remember that for in a minute. Now push it up, and this red part needs to twist, okay? So twist that, and then I'll show you how it sits. It goes up this little channel here and under this part here. Once that's done, it'll spring up and down like so. If it's not doing it, go back and retry. Now your small spring, this goes in and then it sits underneath the silver button. I've made that look easy because I've done it 1,000 times. You may need to get a screwdriver and just adjust it so it's sat right on the silver button. Again, I don't take them off because they can be broken. Now push fit the parts together, just squeezing the top bit onto the bottom bit. Moving round, I do one clip at a time. Now this outer filter, it's got this little cutout here that corresponds to this part on the back of the top part. Okay, so line them up and then it just push fits on. So I basically get it like so and squeeze it with my fingers and just work your way around until the whole thing is in place. And that is it, your cyclone cleaning is complete. Now if you remember at the beginning of the video we had the bin attached to this. I've done the cleaning for this on a separate video and this is the results that I got. If you want to know how to get your bin this clean, please check out this next video where I show you everything step by step, a nice and easy way to get your bin not only clean but clear again.